Finding the best hand mixer under $50 can feel tricky when you just want something that works without wasting money. The truth is, the best hand mixer under $50 can easily handle cookies, cakes, and weekend bakes for most home kitchens. I've used budget mixers in small US apartments where storage and outlets matter, and simple power and balance made the biggest difference. After testing and comparing many mixers over the years, I've learned what truly matters for reliable baking at this price. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric. The Lord Eagle Hand Mixer Electric feels strong the moment you turn it on. I noticed that right away while mixing thick batter. The 400-watt power motor gives fast results without forcing your arm to work harder. Dough and cookie mixes come together quicker than expected. I also like the turbo boost mode for sudden power when a recipe needs it. It helps finish whipping cream or eggs without switching tools. The 5 speeds feel well spaced. Starting slow keeps splashes down. That makes cleanup easier. The grip feels comfortable, even during longer sessions. The stainless steel attachments feel solid and clean up fast in the dishwasher. One thing to note is heat. After heavy mixing, it needs a short rest. That is normal for this power range. Overall, this mixer offers strong value for everyday baking at home. It feels reliable, simple, and beginner-friendly. Number 4. GUALIU Electric Hand Mixer. The GUALIU electric hand mixer surprised me in a good way. It feels light in the hand and easy to control. I like using it for quick baking tasks after a long day. The turbo boost mode is helpful when cream needs extra lift fast. It saves time without much effort. What also stands out is the low noise motor. Mixing stays calm and smooth. It does not sound harsh or distracting. The 5 speeds cover most daily recipes. Eggs, cake batter, and mashed potatoes come together with ease. The upright rest keeps the counter clean, which I really appreciate. There are limits though. It needs cooling after a few minutes of heavy use. That means it is not for large batches. Still, for the price, this mixer feels friendly and reliable. It suits beginners and casual home bakers well. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer. The Hamilton Beach 6-speed electric hand mixer feels made for busy home baking. I use it when I want power without fuss. The 275-watt peak power stands out right away. It handles thick brownie batter and dough without slowing down. Mixing feels quick and steady. What I enjoy most is the easy clean beaters. Batter does not clog, so cleanup is faster. The snap-on case keeps every attachment in one place, which saves time and stress. The 6 speeds give good control, from gentle folding to full whipping. The quick burst button helps when mixtures get stubborn. It does feel a bit heavier than basic mixers. After long use, your wrist may notice. Still, for under $50, it delivers strong performance. For everyday baking, this mixer feels reliable and practical. Number 2. Showvigor Electric Hand Mixer. The Showvigor electric hand mixer is a nice surprise for the price. I picked it up for quick baking days. It feels light in the hand and easy to control. I like using it for quick baking tasks after a long day. The turbo boost mode helps when batter gets thick, especially for cakes and cookies. I also like the one-touch eject button. Swapping beaters is fast and clean. The 7 speeds give good flexibility. Low speeds work well for eggs, higher speeds handle cream without much effort. The mixer is compact, so storage is simple in small kitchens. The motor is not made for heavy doughs, and you can feel that. But for everyday baking and simple recipes, it does the job well. For beginners or budget buyers, this mixer feels practical and friendly. Number 1. KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer. The KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer is one of those tools I keep reaching for. It feels simple and familiar. I use it for quick cookie dough, pancake batter, and whipped cream after dinner. The 5 speeds give good control. Speed 1 is gentle. Speed 5 feels fast enough for light whipping. I really like the soft grip handle because my hand never feels tired even during longer mixes. The lockable cord is another small detail that helps. I can mix from any angle without fighting the cord. This hand mixer is light and easy to store. Cleanup is quick too. The button eject works smoothly every time. The motor is not made for heavy bread dough, and that's the trade-off. But for everyday baking, it stays reliable and calm. If you bake often and want something easy and trusted, this mixer fits into real home kitchens right in. Final verdict. If you want a hand mixer that feels reliable, comfortable, and ready for everyday baking, I personally recommend the KitchenAid 5 Ultra Power Speed Hand Mixer as the best overall product. It delivers smooth control with balanced power and a soft grip that makes mixing batter, eggs, and cream feel effortless. It's a winner in many home kitchens because it blends strength and ease of use. For a specific need, especially if you want a budget-friendly option that still handles basics well, the Showvigor electric hand mixer is a solid choice. It gives solid performance for simple tasks like cakes, eggs, and light mixes without costing much. Check the description link for current prices and more details, and pick the hand mixer that fits your style and need best.